everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with the Prima Marketing Moonchild mini album, and it's a 6x8 album with a chipboard cover and a 2-inch spine, and I had 2 of each of the 12x12 papers, and this is what I have left. So just a few cut parts and then some scraps, and that's it. Didn't throw away anything bigger than 1 inch. So it uses it takes you to the very limits of your paper supply there. I put a dangle charm thing on the spine, and there are some matching beads and some star charms on the ends of those beads. Seam binding from Country Craft Creations, and a butterfly made from the paper and some vellum, and some photo corners or book corners that I've had in my stash forever. And the seam binding that Country Craft Creations has matches perfectly. I also had one of these charms, so I used up part of the paper collection. And let's open it up. There's lots of room for pictures. I will have problems covering this paper. It's beautiful. And even the tags have the cut aparts on them, but of course the backs are plain, so still plenty of room for photos and journaling. That was the first page design. Has this. There's 4 different page designs, 2 of each. This has a tag and then flips up, and the large photo mat in the set, and each one has one of the 3x4 cut aparts on it, and then a space here for either journaling, and then a full back for photos, or a spot just for a 3x4 photo. The next page has a larger tag with a 4x4 cut apart on it. And it opens, you have room for 2 large photos, and the large photo mat comes out of the side. This one's a double pocket. And that's just 2 diagonal pockets, both with a part of the paper cut out. And the back of each one's plain, so you got plenty of room for big photos or 2 small photos. You get 4 2x3s on there, and then the pages repeat themselves. So if you want to do this project, I love this paper. If you want to do this project, then head on over to Country Craft Creations and grab the Prima Marketing Moonchild collection. Like I said, you'll need 2 of each of the 12x12s, and then you'll have to be very meticulous about how we're using the paper, because like I said, it uses every single bit. If you're prone to having to cut some stuff twice, you may want to get a couple extra sheets. I know I had to piece one together because I did just that. I cut it the wrong way, or actually I forgot that I needed to cover it, and I used what I had already cut for something else. Beautiful collection, you guys. Seeing it on camera does not do it justice. If you had seen this, I'll link the share video below, but all the holographic designs on this are amazing. And then this is my favorite cut apart, so I put it on the back of the book, and I thought like a label there would be nice. And then the spine's pretty plain, so if you wanted to add something to the spine, a year or a date or something. Alright, and that's it. So you guys stay tuned. I will have a tutorial for this. Hopefully start uploading it tomorrow, and then have one a day until it's complete. And thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you like my videos. And head on over to Country Craft Creations. Get this paper collection, the seam binding that matches it. It's absolutely amazing. And we thank you very much. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.